I tell you. The yellow bird used to fly high, high, high. When it was in flight, it used to touch the sky. Little Johnny loved the bird with all his heart. With the yellow bird, Johnny didn't want to part. But Johnny got old and gray, and later he would pass away. The yellow bird, it got very weak, could not even open its beak. So a king came to the rescue, gave the bird a treat him a brew. The bird start to fly again, high in the sky where the sun or rain. Misha stay vive, del gibe a ika se i passa voler. Quand il est il a tombé, bligidic, bligidic. Yellow bird, what you let Alan do to you? Yellow bird, he make you lose 15 too. He hijack the party, pay people money. They have to submit or they have to quit. Men, let's correct it. Election coming, yellow bird not flying. Yellow bird, what you let Alan do to you? Yellow bird, you will lose me cause of two. So fly, birdie, fly, birdie, fly away. Fly, birdie, fly away from Mr. Shastay. Fly away. I tell you. The yellow bird used to fly everywhere. Whether Beaufort or Rosie, it didn't care. People say the little bird was very strong. You had to fight very hard to bring it down. But today the bird is so frail, it's on the ground just wagging its tail. It's struggling to stay alive. I don't think that bird will survive. They giving the bird the wrong food. That Indian that puri not good. And the white Shastay injection gave the bird a bad infection. The bird suffering, it not recovering. People from me cool. You know what you have to do. Somebody help me. Yellow bird, what you let Alan do to you? Yellow bird, he make you lose 15 too. He's not a good leader, mate, he's a joker. Don't know we culture, cannot speak back to her. He's a liar and a pretender, and he's a dictator. Yellow bird, what you let Alan do to you? Yellow bird, that man is destroying you. So fly, birdie, fly, birdie, fly away. Fly, birdie, fly away from Mr. Shastay. I tell you. The yellow bird really wants to fly once more, and it wants to fly higher than it did before. But how can it fly when Alan break its wings and tie up its legs with all them rotten strings? Is it that cause the bird all the pain? I want to use the bird again to get power and make money, to give his friends and his family. Don't let him use Johnny but so I think it's time to tell that man go. Look how we treat poor Johnny daughter. He did not put any trust in her. Dimissier chaste by George Gibier, John V. Well past Alan Kaitway, and of Key kindly put away. Yellow bird, what you let Alan do to you? Yellow bird, he make you lose 15-2. If you want to win, please regret of him. He don't have a clue, don't know what to do. He only quarreling, what he declaring, while the birdie dying. Yellow bird, sing what you let Alan do to you. Yellow bird, Richard Frederick had won you. Look, so fly birdie, fly birdie, fly away, fly birdie, fly away from Mr. Chassis. I love you, fireman. Yeah. Fly, 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 fly. Yeah, yeah, yeah.